This is the latest iteration of the carbon bullpup by yours truly. So the reason why it is a carbon bullpup, because one, it is a bullpup blaster. Magazine goes at the back like that. And the reason why it is carbon, because the entire shell here is made from carbon fiber. Now this one is painted black and orange, and the rest of the parts are 3D printed. Railing, internal parts are 3D printed. Some of the parts are metal, like the catch and some of the parts of the plunger, but the rest are basically 3D printed and carbon fiber. Now this one is painted because there were issues with the finish, but in in some of the production models, the the finish would be like this. So this is the one of the unfinished shell, carbon fiber shell. It's very light, and there you see the carbon fiber pattern. So this one is, just imagine the shell would be like this. Right. So what are the things that you would get from a carbon bullpup? For one, this one shoots really well. So magazine goes here, and you prime it like this, and then you shoot. Now this one, right now there's no spacers, so this one shoots at around 105 FPS. Try again. 116. 102. So this is tuned for humans versus zombies. So the idea here is there will be a spacer provided so that you could increase the FPS. Let's do one more shot. Let's see. There, 103. So you get a powerful blaster. You get a bearing scar. The buttstock is 3-point adjustable, so there'll be 3 holes there. And the other thing is the magazine well is compatible with, familiar with Talon mags, so that's compatible. You can also use Dart Zone or Adventure Force magazines. Also goes like that, and there. It also has a what do you call that, slam fire. So when you pull down the trigger, you could slam fire it. But at the same time, you could actually deprime it. So there's a notch here or a button. So you just press to remove the tension from the spring. Press that, and then you could deprime it. And that's already deprimed. So again, let's prime. Release the tension, press that button, and deprime. So right now I will show you how to change the spring or add spacer. So there's a pin here, the silver one. We just pull that off there, and then you slightly push this downward, and then you pull it towards this direction there, and you have, and you release this entire assembly. So this assembly, it holds the spring inside here. There is a linear rail, so it goes like this when you prime. The priming is very smooth because of the guide rail, and the catch is this one, the white one there. That's the catch. And then the way it is released using the depriming button right here is whenever you press the depriming button, the catch goes up just like that. All right, so the spacer, so we have two spacers, a medium one and a large one. It should increase the FPS. So let's try the medium one there, and just insert it the same way you removed it. There until it catches the pusher. You push that in and put the pin back there, and it's ready. So let's see how much FPS we're gonna get with a medium size spacer. So I have 5 rounds here. These are old darts, so they're gonna have some variations on the FPS. I'm using my FPS counter slash power bank, so you can charge your phone with this one. So let's see, first shot, this is medium spacer, 180 FPS. Second shot, 178. $163. $153. So I think I'm using old darts now, and maybe the seal is not so good. That's why FPS goes down. 179. So just below 200 FPS. Now let's try the the largest spacer. Okay, so 5 rounds and with large spacers. First shot. $194. $230. $227. $227. Last round. $183. So I think some of the darts are old and some are new. So that's how it shoots with large spacer. So again, bullpup, adjustable butt. The grip can be changed, compatible with, I guess, airsoft grip. Guide rail for smooth priming, compatible with different magazines. This one is Talon, but it can also work with Dart Zone or Adventure Force. You get bearing scar, Picatinny rail, and of course you get your depriming feature, just like that. So carbon bullpup blaster.